What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Baidu with the ticker symbol BIDU. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Baidu, and I do a review every Tuesday. So let's take a look at last Tuesday. It looks like prices closed at the 142.62, and currently we're practically right back at the same level 1 week later. So not much has changed in terms of price. However, you can see that prices did trend up, and now it's starting to pull back. So let's see where Baidu is most likely headed in the future. So we had this huge impulse up, so this uptrend channel. There was a break of the channel, and then prices made two legs up, one leg up, two legs up, double top, which led to a large sell-off. After this large sell-off, you can see that prices could not go any lower than the low of that downtrend. So that shows signs of weakness because, it's not really like a trend now. It's just a spike down. So a lot of times when you see an uptrend and then you see the spike, a lot of times price will take back this entire move down. So that's what it looks like prices are doing. That's the market structure. Looks like prices are trying to take back this entire down move because prices are still inside this uptrend channel. So if I connect the swings, this is fitting pretty good against the price action. And you can see that we're still within this channel. So it looks like prices are reversing because it was previously above the EMA. It got below it. Now it's gotten back above it. So this is looking pretty good. It looks like, we could be seeing lower prices, a pullback maybe to fill in this gap right here and potentially do a 50% retracement, probably to the mid 135 level, maybe in the low 130s. But either way, there's a good chance this will continue higher because this level right over here is acting as a magnet. So the mid 150s is a level that clearly price likes to test. So it tested it multiple times over the course of a couple of years. So it looks like prices are trying to come back to that level once again. So there's a good chance that price will come back to it. So overall, price is in this uptrend. All this is just one leg up right here. So you can say this is just one leg up, and this is just a correction right over here. And now it looks like another leg, could start from the end of that correction. So it looks like, the uptrend is still intact. We have this micro uptrend in play. It looks like, we could be seeing a break of it in a pullback lower, a correction lower for higher prices. So that's what I would be expecting. I don't really see another huge crash down. Maybe back down to the 117 level. I don't see that occurring. I think it's likely that the bulls will, keep bidding up the price. But we'll have to wait and see. But as of right now, that's all I have for Baidu this week on the daily chart. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap it all up. So here's the weekly chart, and the price isn't really in a trend, a major pattern of a trend, because right now it's in a major pattern of a range. So you can see this range pattern is the one that traders are working on. It's not really in this downtrend pattern any longer. It's not really, it could be in an uptrend, but what traders are looking at is this ranging pattern. So basically price hit the highs of the range, it cannot go back down to the lows. This was the lows. Normally if you hit the highs, it come back to the lows. So it couldn't reach the lows. It stopped right over here, and you can see the massive amount of rejections on every weekly candle bar. A lot of wicks, a lot of rejection. So this tells me that there's a lot of aggressive buying occurring over here. So you see this large green candles came in the market. We're at the top, so we could be seeing a pullback. We did fill in this gap already. And like I said, about a 50% retracement would take price to the low to mid 130s, and that would be setting up for potentially another impulse higher. Right now, this leg could be in play, this measure move target. This is one leg up. The second leg could start right here, targeting the 202 level. So we'll see if that can be reached, because as right now, this looks like prices do want to continue higher. So I'm not saying we can get that tomorrow or in the next few days, because we could be dropping lower. But even if we do see the pullback, there's a good chance we go higher. Either way, it looks like we're going to go higher either soon or after a pullback. I'm not expecting, this level to fail. It can. Again, obviously, I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know what's going to occur in the future. But based on the chart, it looks pretty bullish. We had a huge impulse up. the shorts could not reach the opposite side of the range. Prices immediately reversed, and it looks like it wants to come back to this mid 150 level because that was a level that price likes to test. You can see it tested it here, here, more times over here, and we're just short of it currently. So it looks like, price wants to come back to it. So I see more bullish reasons than bearish reasons on the chart. So that's all I have for Baidu this week, Tuesday, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.